as the suspect, was he asked where he got these dockets from, the forensic bags and the live rounds of ammunition?
He was asked about it, but it was quite clear that the issue of the forensic bags, the issue of the case dockets that was found in the house was not a priority from the members that I've mentioned. As soon as this person mentioned the money, the whole dynamic changed. In my opinion, I feel that we went there for one reason, which is to recover the stock, which is to identify further suspects and possibly arrest them. The moment the deceased mentioned the money, to me it became a robbery. To me it became where the goalpost changed now, and the objective was to get the money, and no longer why we went there.
Yes. And then so you don't know what happened. Were they left there?